Hi, I'm Shane.
And I'm Phil. We're the proud owners of Mint Plumbing and Bathrooms Limited in Nottingham. We are a family-run business with over 25 years experience in the plumbing and bathroom installations industry. We are bathroom specialists and will take on every aspect of your bathroom project, from initial design through to tiling and lighting, making the whole process seamless. Our services include all aspects of plumbing, bathroom installation, wet rooms, underfloor heating, tiling, plastering, electrics and more. We are clean and courteous, treating each and every customer with the utmost respect. We will happily supply you with a free quote. Thanks for watching. For more information, please give us a call.